Hello everyone, and welcome back to From Dr. John's Desk channel. With a new year just around the corner, it's that time again. The perfect opportunity to reflect, dream, and set goals. Today we're diving into the secrets of creating life-changing New Year's resolutions. These aren't your typical "I'll go to the gym" promises. This is about transforming your life in meaningful and lasting ways. Ready to make this year your best yet? Let's get started. Let's be real. How many times have we made resolutions only to abandon them by February? You're not alone. Studies show that most resolutions fail because they're too vague, unrealistic, or lack a clear plan. The good news is, with the right approach, you can break this cycle and turn your resolutions into real-life achievements. Before setting your resolutions, take a moment to reflect. What worked well for you this year? What didn't? Reflection gives you clarity about what you truly want to change or achieve. Ask yourself, what brings me joy? What areas of my life need growth? By understanding your priorities, you can set goals that truly matter. Now here's the golden rule. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," try, "I'll exercise for 30 minutes 3 times a week." A clear, actionable resolution is far more achievable. Also keep it realistic. Aim for progress, not perfection. Small, consistent steps lead to big, lasting changes. Writing down your resolutions makes them feel real and gives you something to commit to. Go one step further. Visualize your success. Imagine how you'll feel when you achieve your goal. Visualization keeps you motivated, especially on days when your energy dips. Big goals can feel overwhelming, so break them down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to learn a new skill, start with 10 minutes of practice a day and build from there. Celebrate each milestone, its progress, and it's worth acknowledging. Accountability is key. Share your resolution with a friend, join a group, or even track your progress with an app. When someone else knows your goal, you're more likely to stick to it. Don't be afraid to seek support. It's not just about discipline, it's about community. Life happens, and sometimes we need to adjust our goals. That's okay. Resolutions aren't about perfection, they're about growth. If something isn't working, adapt. The key is to keep moving forward. Finally, celebrate your progress, big or small. Every step you take toward your goal is an achievement worth recognizing. Reward yourself for your hard work and stay inspired to keep going. Remember, a life-changing resolution isn't about drastic overnight changes. It's about committing to consistent growth. This year, let's make resolutions that matter, inspire us, and transform our lives for the better. What's your New Year's resolution? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to From Dr. John's Desk channel for more inspiring content. Wishing you a fantastic new year filled with purpose, progress, and positivity. See you in the next video.